In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a doctype in ERPNext. A doctype in ERPNext is basically the structure behind any form or record you use in the system. Whenever you see documents like sales invoices, customers, or items, each of those is powered by a doctype. Creating your own doctype lets you design custom forms that match your business processes, capture the exact data you need, and integrate it into your existing workflows. Let's walk through the process from the very beginning. First, open your ERPNext account and go to your ERPNext homepage. Make sure you're logged in with a role that has permission to manage doctypes, such as a system manager or an administrator. If you don't have the right permissions, you might not see the options we're about to use, so it's important to check that first with whoever manages your system. Once you're on the homepage, use the global search bar at the top of the screen. Start typing doctype into the search field. ERPNext will show you a list of matching options as you type. Click on doctype from the list to open the doctype list view. Inside the doctype list, you'll see all the existing doctypes that are already configured in your system. To create a brand new one, look for the option to create a new doctype, usually a new button in the top right corner. Click on that to open the doctype creation form. Now you'll be taken to the main setup screen where you fill in the details for your new doctype. Start by entering a clear and descriptive name. This should tell users exactly what this document is for. Then configure key options like whether this is a single doctype, a child table, or a standard document type. You can also set things like whether it should be submitted, whether it tracks changes, and how it will appear in the system. Take your time to review the different fields and settings. Think about who will use this doctype, what information they need to capture, and how it will fit into your existing modules. Proper planning here will save you a lot of time later. Once you're satisfied with all the details you've entered, scroll down and click on Create and Continue. This will save your new doctype and keep you on the configuration screen so you can immediately add fields, tweak options, or make adjustments as needed. And that's the basic process of creating a doctype in ERPNext. Open the system, search for doctype, start a new one, fill in the details, and click Create and Continue to save your work.